YouTube is full of tons of Audacity advice, so how do you spot a bad one? You just have to look for one piece of advice. If anyone is giving you this advice, chances are they are not a specialist in audio editing. They may have seen others giving this advice on YouTube and are copying that advice. It is about asking to add a bass boost to a voiceover. If anyone asks you to add a bass boost to the voiceover, they are just asking to make your audio worse. Why is that? Well, if you notice the curve of the bass boost, it is adding a 9 dB boost up to 100 Hz. 9 dB boost is quite a lot, and you should keep the boost up to 6 dB as a general guideline. The most problematic part is the boost in this frequency range. The human voice never starts below 80 Hz, so what are you boosting below 80 Hz? If there is any sound below 80 Hz in your recording, that would be noise. For example, if something heavy falls on the ground, it would have a frequency in the low range. So basically, heavy thumping noise contains a frequency below 80 Hz. Boosting frequency below 80 Hz is boosting noise. Why would you boost noise in your voiceover? If you search Google on the fundamental frequency of the human voice, you will get an idea of where the voice frequency starts. Frequency below 80 Hz should be cut off, because that would help to reduce those low frequency noises. For voice, always cut frequency below 80 Hz or 60 Hz. There is a factory preset in Audacity named 100 Hz rumble. Because rumbling noise falls below 100 Hz and it offers to cut off those noises. All this discussion means whoever gives you advice on bass boost for voice is not an audio expert. Of course, tons of experts are giving advice on YouTube. If you want to learn from the best, you have to filter out who is giving bad advice. I see this bad advice of bass boost over and over, so I felt it necessary to share this with you. I have developed some macros to make your sound better in a single click in Audacity. I will share the link where you can get the macros. I will also share a video link in the description on how to use those macros. If you are interested, please have a look. Thanks for watching, and see you next.